Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Kantono Ramlanda Mgaya, and today we are going to handle Google Forms. So for example, if you are a teacher, you are a lecturer, you are a doctor, in any field you are handling, now the era of always giving people cheats and forms to answer manually has now come to an end. So now answer online forms, and those are the Google Forms. You can format the form in whatever way you want. So it is flexible in the way that it enables you share it in groups via email. So it has a number of advantages over these manual forms. But it requires data to access it and to write it down and format it. And it has a number of nice shortcuts. You can design it in whatever way you want without spending even a coin. So it is better than the manual forms. So let us go through how we can use the Google Forms. So let us we go and start searching. So I'm going to search for Google sorry. I'm going to search for Google Google Forms. It is here. So this is our Google Forms. You can sign in from there. So this is our Google Forms already. It shows you contact information, that different templates you can use. You can use our contact information. As you can see how it appears: name, email, address, the responses, no response. If I told you send a link to a group of people, or maybe you send a link to anyone, so the responses will always appear here. Make this a quiz. Responses, you can format it in any way you want. You can format it anyhowly. So here we have party invite. It has a number of templates. You can choose any template you want. Find a t-shirt, sign up. You can also format your own. You can select for a blank form. You can start asking your questions. This is how you can format a question. You can just say what is your favorite dish. So you can choose the way you want people to answer to this question. Either it can be a short answer, it can be a multiple choice, a paragraph. For me now, I prefer a paragraph. Of course, they expect a long answer text from this. You can delete the question. You can add an image. It has a number of more options. Description. Now you can you press here when you want to add a question. You can ask why. Why is that your favorite dish? So you either expect a long answer, a paragraph, either expect a multiple choice, you either expect a short answer. So you have to click on whatever you expect. So the ball is always in your hands. You can choose whatever you want. You can customize the theme. You can change the font to whatever font you want. So it has a number of better shortcuts you can use. Instead of, you can share, you can copy link. then paste it somewhere, whether it is a group or whatever you want. It has a number. You can make changes. So the ball is always in your hand with this. You can publish. If you are done formatting it, you can publish it here. We have a number. You can print, add script. It has prefill form. You can choose whether you want to prefill. So it has a number of shortcuts. So instead of using these manual forms, I think it is better for us to go the Google Forms way. Thank you so much for listening to me. Kindly like, subscribe, share. Thank you.